How to fix Instagram ads problem. If any day you are an Instagram user and you're facing the problem on your Instagram and you would like to fix the Instagram ads problem, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can tap on Instagram like this and then go to the eye option there. After you go to the eye option there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of storage. If you see any of the cache out there, you have to clear down the cache and then go downwards and then tap on the option of app details and store. After you tap on app details and store, if you see the option of update out there, you have to update your application, otherwise you can open the Instagram like this. After you open the Instagram like this, you can see an interface here. You have to go to your profile like icon and then go to the three lines at the top. Now you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. After you tap on settings and privacy, you have to scroll down until you find the option of help and then tap on that. Now you have to tap on the option of report a problem and then go to the option of report problem without shaking. After that, you have to go to the option of don't include and continue, and here you can tap on the problem that you faced regarding the ads on Instagram, and then you also have to send the various uploading of the screenshot and other any kind of proof out there and then send to the developer of the Instagram. After the developer of the Instagram finds it, your very problem will be solved within 24 hours. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.